Good morning, NASDAQ. How are you guys doing? Today, we're only going to have, well, it looks like you guys can hear me. I don't know, that looked like a little bit of stream malfunction. We're only going to have one person on for the moment. Dom's going through some technical difficulties. He doesn't know how the internet works, and he's trying to figure out how to turn it on. I've been there before. It happens to the best of us. That's okay. You know, I really wasn't thinking there'd be much crazy scenarios going on, but take a look here. We got ASST just going supernova now. This one is crazy. Looks like it's blowing off with a little bit of a parabolic spike there. Although I was reading the PR, I think it was, that was a funny one. That was a funny one. Let's check it out. ASST, Asset Entities, develops AI bot as part of its AE360 DDM suite of services. Asset Entities is introducing its new avatar named Eddie, the entertainment-themed AI bot who will be offered as part of its AE period 360. Okay, but you go to this link. It's part of the company's Discord management services. Okay, so here's the thing. If Clover, well, Clover does have AIs in the chat room. So I think technically that means we're just about the same. Clover's up about 200% today. Let's see. So this is a $15 million company. This is a small company. $15 million company with a 2 million share float. 5.3 million shares outstanding. Yeah, that's a pretty tiny one. Man, good luck to everybody. It's like recent one, but keep this one in mind because it's AI, and the thing about AI is AI can just keep going. You know, I find it to be one of the hardest, one of the harder sectors to short, just because I actually believe in like AI as opposed to like a lot of these other things where I don't even know what are some of the sectors that trade on the market, like dry shipping. Who cares about bulk shipping like that? All right, next on the list. Let's get right into it. So that's ASST up 175% today. We actually had a MCOM from yesterday too. Or, no. Sorry, AHI from yesterday. So 3 to 3.2, 0.3 to 3.2. That's a 1,000% run. We haven't seen one of those in a long time. It's only a matter of time before shorts got so greedy and they just blew all out. But I don't know what the news was there. I was traveling yesterday, so I wasn't trading much. Or Friday. Intelligence shares. They actually, did they have news? I don't see any news for AHI. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, imagine that, a stock going up 1,000% with no news. What do you think's happening there? Just every short losing their accounts. MCOM, just sort of a trash penny runner. Trash penny runner, I bet it has, but it's got to be pretty small. $3.7 million company, that's puny. I mean, this is the thing about these stocks. They're so low priced, so fundamentally they really suck. But two, they're so low priced and they're such small companies that it's not that hard for them to double either. So, I mean, you know, you're getting this really weird risk reward, in my opinion. But so that's kind of why I don't really trade those. No matter what the news really is, they're just so dangerous. And like, especially with a lot of these direct access brokers are going to be charging by the share, so those commissions are going to add up so much. Micro. All right, next up on the list we got AUUD. This one I saw it in the morning when I rolled out of bed. Wait, is none of my news loading? AUUD. We got an 11 million share float. 15 million shares outstanding. Pretty small company at 6.42 million. So it's pretty much double MCOM. So they announced the launch of its Fighter 3.0 mobile app. Next evolution of its audio super app with entirely new look and feel alongside more features and exclusive content. Okay, I think, oh my goodness, here we go. Developer of a proprietary AI platform for audio and innovative technologies for podcasts that is reinventing how consumers engage with audio. It's a cool idea. But, well, one, their app is ad-free, so they're not even going to make much money from it. Pretty sure like a lot of apps revenue does kind of come from ad revenue. Yeah, I think you're right on the money with that. In the chat, I don't think AHI had news either. So they dropped a mobile app. Like, that's not that hard. I barely know how to program, and I feel like I could drop a mobile app. But I mean, good for them. Do a little some, capitalize off it. There's ASST, a little bit of a reversal there. Oh, here we go. You know, I wish Dom was here. He should be here, but he's just restarting his internet because power went out. But here's the thing. We have KDNY. It is a ticker spelled kidney. Let's try liver. No. Kidney. He would love to talk about this stock, even though we don't know what it is or what they're doing. We wouldn't even trade this. It looks like... What, are they getting acquired or something? Yeah, $40 a share in cash. So this is something you avoid like the plague. There's just nothing to be done there. I mean, some people, they'll do what they call risk arbitrage, where they're being acquired for 40 a share, right? So they'll buy it here at 37.8 because they can close that like $2.10 gap. But the thing is, if they don't get acquired or the deal falls through for whatever reason, it's going down to 24. So, you know, you're aiming to make $2, risking 14. A little bit of a skewed risk reward, but... And the thing about that is, like, there's just so many uncertainties with, like, deals that get closed that you really don't know. Next up in the list, IFBD. They reverse split. That looks like something. Looks like a pretty heavy stock. Let's just get sold into. Let's kind of see what fundamentals we're working with here. $6.7 million company. 5.6 million share float. No doubt, definitely a small one. But, you know, I mean, it's a lot of the same stuff today, but like this is one of the most important things in trading. Just making sure that you're going through the processes every day. Because without it, you're going to slip up one time and it's going to be bad. Oh no. Oh, here we go. We got fill in for Dom today. Ready, chat? Yeah, take him off. He's gonna break the camera. All right. All right, where were we? IFBD. IFBD. Heavy stock, 6.7 million. Market cap, 4.6 million shares outstanding. As far as news goes, what's running this thing and how's it doing? Is this seriously another no news ticker? Regains compliance with the NASDAQ minimum bid price 12 days ago. Okay, so that's probably what this was. 515. Ah, that's probably somewhere around here. Okay, I mean, let me check the filings real quick because I'm kind of curious. Why are there so many companies with no news running? Huh. All right. I mean, know what you own, man. I mean, if you're buying a company that's up 50% on the day with no news, something weird's happening, in my opinion. All right, next up on the list. I mean, we're kind of dwindling down on the list. There's a few other like gappers, but it's starting to get into like the 20% range, which I sort of just stopped checking in there. RCRT, we're gonna do one more, and this is just even worse. Even worse. Let's see if this is another $3 million company. Although I do remember it from 6.6 when we ran a pre-market show. Okay, a $4.6 million company. Float of 11.3 million. I mean, it's holding up. It's nice. But once again, like it's really just nothing I look at. I mean, in the list, I think ASST is an interesting one. I'll probably go into like more discussion on that in the room, see how it's going, see sort of how the trade's developing up and where sort of edges can lie. Other than that, I mean, MCOM, I avoid that. AUUD, they just put out a sick mobile app, so I mean, probably going to the moon. Although it is important to note they are AI. You can never just short AI blindly. Market's not that easy. Dom grew a lot of hairs. Yeah, dude. Dom's hair is going down to his ankles now. Let me tell you, I mean, IoT, MGOL, DHC, MVIS is my watch list. Nice, nice. I don't even know what those charts do. I feel like I was traveling Friday, so I wasn't here on the Good Morning Show. Um, it's amazing. Like I'm so out of sync with the market right now. I don't even know what's moving. Nice, nice, nice. Couple runners. MGOL. Whoa. Sorry, cat's on the keyboard. He's pressing random keys. Welcome to the first ever Good Morning NASDAQ earthquake, everybody. Welcome. That was cat induced. Alright. MGOL. Oh, nice. This one's just moving. Yeah, so whenever I get back from trips, he's going to be like this. And there's nothing I can do about it. Because he needs attention. But that's okay. I can do this while doing the Good Morning Show, everybody. DHC. What was that stock? But you guys never thought you'd see this happen. EHC. What kind of news do they have? DE Shaw galvanic portfolios. Send letters to diversified healthcare, they're expressing an opposition to deal with office properties income trust. All right, that sounds like a lot of reading. Nice though. MVIS. Man, I remember this stock trading in the 30s. That was just insanity. See, look at this. I mean, blow out every short. Almost $2 a share. Which, I mean, $2 a share on 1.5 share stock. That's, man, what is that percentage move? It's like 150%. I mean, that is an insane squeeze, and you gotta love it. It only pulls back 50 cents. Oh man, that's good. That's too good. All right, everybody. I gotta get into the room. I do have to keep preparing. I am running on fumes at the moment. Me and Dom had a long weekend, doing a lot of work. However, we have some awesome things coming in the pipeline for the Good Morning NASDAQ show. We are so excited for it. So excited. I mean, it should take you to the next level. It's going to get a lot crazier. Matter of fact, like, favorite this video and star it because this is going to be like the worst episode yet. Yeah, so I'm going to get into the room. Everybody, have a good trading day. Be safe out there and, well, good morning.